Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Tech Moves. Today we're going to be unboxing the new iPad Pro and also the keyboard. Let's get on with it. Starting with the iPad Pro, as you can see, it is the 11-inch. It's not the 12.9-inch. I actually opted out of that one because right now I think the 11-inch is actually pretty good for me. I want it to be a little bit portable and not carrying around anything that big. Although I could change my mind to see how this is. But I want the iPad to still be a supplement to my MacBook Pro, not a replacement. So this is actually the 256 gigabyte Wi-Fi only. Again, I have my phone for that. I'd rather save the money instead of going with cellular. But let's start unboxing this bad boy. So as you can see, it is pretty nice. To unbox this, there's a tab right here. So just pull the tab. Oh, it's like candy. All that fantastic plastic. Take this out. Go to the side. Alright, I'm actually pretty excited for this. I'm really excited for this. I haven't had a new iPad in like 5 years, so this is the upgrade I've been waiting for. So let's open this up. Let's turn it this way. I have to give it to Apple. The new wallpapers they have on these boxes, they're always so nice. I have to actually get this one for my MacBook. But alright, here we go. This is the new iPad Pro. It is pretty nice. I have to admit, it's light. I had the Air, which was pretty good, but I'm actually liking the feel of this so far. Here we go. We're going to take out the plastic. Let's hear that noise. Oh, I just love unboxing Apple products. Yes, yes. All right, turn it over. And oh my god, look at this bad boy. Look at this. Look at it. It looks awesome. I love the whole new form factor. And it's so light, which is unbelievable because again, I've had the Air. Alright, so what comes in this box? This is the iPad Pro, 11-inch again. The camera is right here. I'm not actually a big fan of it being like a stub in the front here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Again, this is the new magnetic, I guess, connections for the keyboard, which is on the back. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 speakers for stereo surround sound, which is awesome. Again, it has the Face ID like the iPhone XS, or I'm sorry, the iPhone X. But yeah, let's see what comes in the box. This is all the manuals and stickers from Apple. Again, this is the manual. It says iPad Pro on it. Tells you how to pretty much set it up. Alright. Face ID, how it works. Do we have the... Oh, this is the warranty telling you all the important information you should know. So again, quick setup guide, manual, and do we have anything else in here? Apple stickers. So this is the USB-C adapter. Alright, and included now is a white USB-C cord. The one thing about this iPad, which again I wanted to wait for because I knew at some point Apple was going to be switching over to the USB-C connection, and it's on this iPad. Let's just say that one more time. It's on this iPad. Yeah, so with that said, again, we have the cable, the charger, the manual, all this crazy stuff that we're probably not going to need. So I'm going to put this aside so I can turn on the iPad and pretty much get started. But you know what, before I even do that, let's unbox the keyboard. This is the Smart Keyboard Folio. It looks awesome. Just the way it connects to the iPad, that is definitely a game changer. So how are we going to open this up? Blade, check. Let's open this up. It doesn't have the same plastic feel opening as the iPad, but we'll get there. So here we go. Plastic. Oh, yeah. Alright. This is the iPad Pro with Smart Keyboard Folio. Put that on the side. Oh my god. It's around just like the iPad. So, here we go. Some more plastic gasm. It's not as satisfying as opening the iPad, but it's there. Alright, so this is the folio. You can see it. Alright, it's got that notch too on the back notch. And again, this is some manuals, I guess. There's some manuals in here. Yep. Some more manuals inside telling you how to set up the keyboard. We don't need that. Wow, I love the feel of this. Look at this. Keyboards seem nice. And also, this is a connection for the iPad. But I have to say, it's pretty nice. So let's take the iPad. So apparently it's supposed to snap on, and you should hear a satisfying click. Oh, wow. Look at that. Very nice. And then, I guess it just goes. Wow. This feels great. More like a desktop mode, lap mode. Oh wow, this is nuts. And then you close it. It looks like this. Pretty much. Protects the back, which is awesome. Protects the front, which is awesome. I mean, I'm pretty much going to put a case on the front for this, just in case it gets damaged, because I mean, it's an iPad. But yeah, I cannot wait to try this out. So again, with that said, guys, thank you for checking out the channel. Please hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below and let me know if you're going to be upgrading to the new iPad. Let me know what iPads you've had. And if you have any questions regarding this channel, please, I'd love to hear from you guys. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.